I'm going to talk to you today about your gut and making flatter abs and a better gut. And it's a very simple formula we've got going on here. Hi, I'm Dr. Dabbs from Dabbs Chiropractic and Physical Therapy, Rehab Center, Maryland here. First thing in the morning, you get out of bed, you have this before you eat, before you do anything. You take a lemon, you squeeze it in a glass that can hold 2 cups of hot water. So squeeze a lemon in there. You can do a half of one or a whole one if you got lots of lemons. You just squeeze them in. And then you take 2 cups of hot water, like that, and apple cider vinegar. And there's different kinds, but get the one that is organic and whole food, and it's just basically a really high quality one that's not made from reconstitution. So you take a tablespoon of this, put it in, and then, bon appetit, you drink it up. It tastes good too because it's lemons. Just the lemon itself is incredible because it's an acid, so it kills bacteria in your mouth and that pays the bad ones, the bad flora. You know, C. diff, for example, is a bad bacteria in your gut. And you want to kill those ones and get the proper ones to revive, and that's what lemons do. And it also acts alkaline in your body because it's got minerals in it that make your body alkaline. An alkaline body heals, an acid body rusts. Acids are typically meats, chicken, beef, pork, breads, and eggs and milk. So those are acid foods. The more you eat of those, the more the body rusts and gets inflamed. The more you eat of the alkaline foods, fruits and vegetables, such as lemons. You may think they're acid, but they make your body alkaline. And that's what we're going for here. With the apple cider vinegar and the lemons, we'll make your body very alkaline. An alkaline body burns the omentum fat, and the fat in your body makes your abs flatter. So bon appetit. That's a great way to start the day. And you probably won't want to eat as much breakfast because you're full of that, and that's golden. If you have any comments, please write them down below, and don't hesitate to contact us. If you want to come in for a free consultation, come on in, because I do a lot of functional medicine, treat a lot of people with a lot of illnesses, whether it's autoimmune disorders or other disorders. We treat that so that they have much less symptoms or eliminate those symptoms altogether. So please come on in for a free consult so we can discuss what's going on with you, see what we can do for you. Thank you.